Good morning to all of you. Welcome to VVPS e-learning class, and this is a period of GK in which we have taken a revision, that is the page number 17, the chapters which deals with analogies, and page number 8, that is about the natural calamities. Student, so do these revisions very precisely and very carefully, and after that learn and revise both two pages. Okay. So continue with the page number 17, that is about the analogies. Find the analogies in the given pairs with the help of the given option. First is geology deals with the earth. What should be deals with the following with entomology? Option A, option B birds, option C insect. The correct option is entomology deals with the insect. Now next, Pandit Ravi Shankar is associated with the sitar. You all know. What instrument should associated with the Zakir Hussain? First one is Shehnai, second one is tabla, third one is santoor. The correct option is B, that is tabla. Third, that is, you all know cub is a young ones of lion, whereas tadpole is young one of, first is option A hedgehog, option B cat, option C frog. The correct option will be the young ones of frog are called as tadpole. So option C is correct. Option 4, Masoi is the terminology which is related to the Kenya, whereas Sherpa is related to option A Nepal, option B Sri Lanka, option C Myanmar. The correct option will be the Nepal. Fifth question of analogies. Just see over here. Amrita Shergill is a painter, whereas Amrita Pritam is a option A singer, option B writer, and option C director. The correct answer is option B, that is Amrita Pritam. She is a renowned writer. Sixth question. Monkey belongs to the primates. Dash belongs to the marsupials. Option A honeybee, option B opossum, and option C mouse. The correct option is opossum. Seventh question of analogies. India is related to Bangladesh, whereas Argentina is related to option A Canada, option B Mexico, option C Brazil. As Australia is related to the Brazil, that is the option C is correct. Question number 8. Hangar is related to the aircraft. What should be related to the motor vehicle? First one is garage, second one is runway, and third one is flyover. The correct option is first option, that is A. Motor vehicles are kept in garage. Question number 9. Architect is related to the building. What should be related to the statue? Option A is painter, option B is sculpture, and option C is mason. The correct answer is option B, that is sculpture. Question number 10. Mozzarella is related to the Italian. What should be related to the feta? Option A Swiss, option B Greek, and option C Spanish. The correct answer is option B. Now we have discussed with the page 18, which deals with the natural a disaster. First, you have to understand what is a natural disaster. That any natural catastrophic event that causes a great loss of life and property is called a natural disaster. And by reading the clues, choose the correct option to identify these disasters. First, states of West Bengal and Odisha were hit by a super cyclone in May 2020. This cyclone caused widespread damage in both states and the neighboring country of Bangladesh. Option A Bulbul, option B Titli, option C Amphan. The correct option is option C Amphan. In 2010, heavy floods devastated this mountain desert region. Many towns and villages were damaged. More than 200 people were killed. The mud, um, mud flood, and the dervish flows were result to a cloudburst and overnight rains. Option A is Jammu, option B is Ladakh, option C is Tarang. The correct option is option B, that is Ladakh. Question 3. This severe cyclonic storm hit the state of Maharashtra in June 2020. The cyclone made landfall at Alibag near Mumbai. Option A Vayu, option B Nisagra, and option C is Kara. That is the correct option B, that is the Nisagra. In 2015, the floods in South India were a result of heavy rainfall due to northeast monsoon, Kulador and Dash being the previously hard hit, and more than 100 people dies in this disaster. Option A Kozhikode, option B Bangalore, option C Chennai. The correct option is option C Chennai. In June 2013, a major cloudburst caused a massive floods and filled with thousands of people in this Himalayan state. Option A Himachal Pradesh, option B Uttarakhand, option C Sikkim. The correct option is option B Uttarakhand. In April 2015, an earthquake was caused due to large scale destruction in this landlocked neighboring country of India. Option is A is Nepal, option B Afghanistan, option C Bangladesh. The correct option is the option A, that is Nepal. The last question, this page is the world has been dealing with a pandemic that caused a respiratory problem. The first of this pandemic was repeated in China and in December 2019. First one is Ebola, second one is SARS, and third one is COVID-19. You all know the answer, that is the option C, that is COVID-19. Okay, thank you student for your nice cooperation. Have a nice day.